is the term dog days related to ancient astronomy? Sirius is the brightest star in our night sky, and it has been for the last 90,000 years. Well, it's not just bright, but it's also on time. Now I'm talking about heliacal rising. This is when a star or planet appears low on the eastern horizon right before dawn and then disappears as the sun rises. And with Sirius's position on our night sky related to our orbit around the sun, it happens every 365 days and 1/4. Now imagine you're an ancient Egyptian eagerly waiting for the announcement of this important sighting. Now what does it mean to you? Well, 1, it marks the start of your civil calendar year, and 2, almost more importantly, it marks when the Nile will begin to flood. Sirius was worshipped as the goddess Sobdet. Sobdet was considered a goddess of fertility, particularly relating to the land, showing this link again between Sirius and the flooding of the Nile, which enriched the soil. Across the sea, the ancient Greeks were waiting patiently as well for this heliacal rising of Sirius. They'd sit and watch for a twinkling. This twinkling would only mean doom. The term starstruck even comes from a supposed malignant influence that would take over Greeks. They also believed there would be a very hot and dry summer, causing plants to die. However, if Sirius rose and it looked very clear with no twinkling, it meant that there would be good fortune and that they would have a pretty good summer. In ancient Greece, Rome, and Egypt, Sirius was also associated with the dog. On a Greek island, they've even found coins with a dog having these rays shining off of him with a star. Because Sirius rose right around this peak of summertime, as well as its association with dogs and its apparent effect on people and the weather, the period right after the rising became known as the dog days. It's now used to refer to that kind of hot, uncomfortable period in July and August where dogs seem to get maybe a little bit lazier, which is